Hi, I'm Lucy, I'm a crochet designer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to work the pom-pom edging stitch. So let's get started. Please subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and click the bell icon for notifications of future videos. We are now going to add the pom-pom border. I have added a pom-pom trim on the top and bottom of my blanket. Chain 3. Yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over, draw through 2 loops. Insert hook into the same stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over, draw through 2 loops. Repeat until you have 7 loops on your hook. You will now have 7 loops on your hook. Yarn over, draw through all loops on your hook. Work 1 slip stitch into the next stitch to secure your cluster. Go to hobbycraft.co.uk to find a new project, book a workshop, or learn a new skill. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. See you soon for the next video.